Close your eyes for a moment and imagine this. You step into your backyard, and instead of a dull, lifeless space, you are greeted by a breathtaking courtyard garden. The air is crisp with the scent of lavender and fresh greenery. The soft glow of lanterns flickers against the evening sky, and the sound of water gently trickles from a stone fountain, creating a melody of tranquility. It feels like stepping into a hidden sanctuary, a place where time slows down, where the worries of the world fade into the background, replaced by the serenity of nature embracing your soul. This is not just a dream. This could be your very own courtyard garden. And today, I will take you through the most mind-blowing ideas that will transform your space into an enchanting retreat. Whether you have a small urban courtyard or a spacious backyard, these ideas will bring life, warmth, and magic into your home. Get ready to be inspired, because what you are about to see might just change the way you look at your outdoor space forever. One, maximizing small courtyard spaces. Not all of us are blessed with sprawling gardens, but that doesn't mean we can't create something extraordinary. In fact, a small courtyard can be even more magical when designed with intention. Imagine walls adorned with lush climbing ivy, their deep green leaves forming a natural tapestry that breathes life into your space. Vertical gardens cascading down the walls, creating a soft, organic embrace around you. Smart, space-saving planters tucked into corners, filled with fragrant herbs like rosemary and thyme, releasing their fresh aroma with every gentle breeze. And then, there's the furniture. Foldable wooden chairs with plush cushions, a sleek marble-top table that disappears when not in use, and hidden storage benches that double as cozy seating. Every detail carefully curated to bring beauty and function into perfect harmony. To make your space feel larger, we introduce mirrors, not ordinary ones, but antique, weathered mirrors that reflect the sky and surrounding greenery, creating an illusion of infinite depth. A touch of magic in the heart of your home. Because in the world of design, it's not about how much space you have. It's about how you use it. Thank you for watching. If you love beautiful home and garden inspirations, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more. And now, we'd love to hear from you. If you could redesign your home, what's the first thing you would change? Tell us in the comments. Also, let us know, where are you watching from? We're excited to connect with viewers from all over the world. 2. The enchantment of water features. Water has a way of bringing a garden to life. The soft ripples of a pond, the mesmerizing dance of koi fish beneath the surface, the soothing melody of a fountain whispering in the wind. These elements turn an ordinary courtyard into an oasis of peace. Imagine a stone water basin, its surface kissed by the morning sun, reflecting the gentle sway of surrounding ferns and blossoms. Or perhaps a modern cascading waterfall, flowing seamlessly into a shallow pool, creating a tranquil backdrop to your evening tea. For smaller courtyards, a wall-mounted fountain offers elegance without taking up precious space. The sound of trickling water masks the noise of the outside world, transforming your garden into a sanctuary where stress dissolves and serenity reigns. And for those seeking something truly magical, a hidden pond tucked beneath a wooden deck, where stepping stones lead across the water, guiding you to a secret corner of solitude. A place where nature and design merge into something unforgettable. Three, lush greenery and layered planting. Courtyard garden isn't just about filling space with plants. It's about layering textures, colors, and heights to create an immersive experience. Picture a mix of towering ferns and delicate wildflowers, their petals dancing in the golden sunlight. Wisps of lavender and chamomile brush against your fingertips as you walk by, releasing their calming fragrance into the air. Above, hanging baskets overflow with ivy and petunias, cascading like waterfalls of color from rustic wooden beams. The key is to build depth. Raised garden beds made of weathered stone, overflowing with vibrant perennials. A mix of evergreen shrubs and seasonal blooms, ensuring your garden remains alive and colorful throughout the year. And for the ultimate touch, climbing roses wrapping around an antique trellis, painting your courtyard in shades of pink, white, and deep red. Every plant chosen with care, every layer crafted to create a living masterpiece. Because a courtyard garden is not just a collection of plants, it's a symphony of nature in perfect harmony. Four, creating an intimate atmosphere with lighting. As the sun sets, a courtyard garden transforms. With the right lighting, it becomes a space of warmth, mystery, and enchantment. Imagine soft fairy lights woven through climbing vines, casting a golden glow across stone pathways. Lanterns flickering in the evening breeze, their gentle light reflecting off a pond's surface like tiny dancing stars. Hidden LED strips beneath garden benches, creating an illusion of floating furniture in the twilight. And then there's the fire, a modern fire pit at the heart of your courtyard, surrounded by comfortable seating, inviting quiet conversations and stolen moments beneath the night sky. Lighting isn't just about visibility, it's about storytelling. It's about creating a world where every flicker of light invites you to stay just a little longer, wrapped in the magic of the moment. 5. The secret of cozy seating and functional decor. A courtyard garden is meant to be lived in, and that means designing spaces that invite relaxation, comfort, and connection. Think of a rustic wooden bench nestled beneath an arch of jasmine, its scent filling the air as you sip your morning coffee, or a hammock tucked between two towering bamboo plants, swaying gently as you lose yourself in a book. For intimate gatherings, a circular stone seating area centered around a fire pit becomes the perfect setting for late-night conversations and laughter under the stars. And for those who love entertaining, a foldable dining table, surrounded by mismatched vintage chairs, creates a charming, effortless space for meals shared in the fresh open air. Even the smallest courtyards can feel expansive with multifunctional decor. A side table that doubles as a planter, a bench that hides storage beneath its cushions, and compact, foldable furniture that adapts to your needs. Because a courtyard garden is more than just a space, it's an experience. A retreat where beauty meets function, and every moment feels like a breath of fresh air. Conclusion. So now, imagine stepping into your courtyard once again. But this time, it's different. This time, It's alive. The gentle trickle of water, the fragrance of fresh blooms, the warmth of lanterns flickering in the twilight. It's no longer just a backyard. It's your sanctuary. A place where nature and design come together to create something extraordinary. These ideas are not just dreams. They are possibilities waiting to unfold. And now, it's your turn to bring them to life. Which idea inspired you the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more breathtaking design inspiration. Because your dream courtyard garden is just a step away.